What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to change your country or region location on Amazon Prime. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first, go to Amazon Prime and log in into your account. And when you're in your account, just hover on account and list and go to content and devices here. And when you click that, will redirect you to this page. Just go to preference right here. You can see on the screen, and it will redirect you into this page. And you can see that you can change your country and region settings. Just click change, and you can now add your address, city, country, postal code, etc. And click save. And that's it. That's all for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.